Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E-Class, that generation right here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the trailer fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. And what's important, to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the trailer fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class here guys. This is before the facelift, this is after the facelift, but that's the same generation Mercedes W212. You have multiple fuses, up to 6 of them for the trailer guys, and you need to check a fuse box that's in the trunk. Open that fuse box by opening the trunk, removing that cover, and underneath it you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here guys, we need to check specifically up to 6 different fuses for the trailer. You wonder where. Now, oh by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, anything for your Mercedes or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. We can get them at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. If you have the trailer module option installed, you will have a fuse block right here. Unfortunately ours didn't, but if you do guys, next to it you have fuse numbers. You need to check fuse number 53, then you will need to check fuse number 54, 56, 57, 58, and then you have one more which will be known as fuse number guys 89, which will be that 20 amp fuse right here. But if you have the trailer factory installed option, they will be right here, those fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.